Let me show you two options to lighten your green without white. We are going to use a dark green as our base, and the first way is to simply use a light green for lightening. Let me show you how that works. And now let's make it even lighter with a bit more of the leaf green. And a second option to lighten your green without white is to use yellow. And now let's make it even lighter by adding more yellow. Beautiful. And this is how easy you can lighten your green without any white.